66. Squash butternut. A 1/2 cup 125 ml of butternut squash has 43 calories. It is an excellent source of vitamin A and source of fiber, vitamin C and folate. 1 serving equals 85 g 1/12 medium. Source of potassium 290 mg per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 67. Sugar snap peas. Snap peas are low in calories, 42 calories per 100 g, an excellent source of vitamin A, C and iron, high in vitamin K and a source of fiber and B vitamins. 1 serving equals 100 g. Low in calories, 42 calories per serving. Excellent source of vitamin A. Excellent source of vitamin C. Excellent source of iron. High in vitamin K. Source of fiber. Source of vitamin B. 68. Sweet potato. A medium cooked sweet potato contains 158 calories. It is a source of fiber, vitamin B6 and magnesium. It is a very high source of vitamin A. 1 serving equals 110 g half medium. Good source of potassium 370 mg per serving. Source of fiber 3 g per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 69. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is low in calories, an excellent source of beta-carotene, high in potassium and a source of vitamin C. It is also high in antioxidants. 1 serving equals 93 g 125 ml boiled. Excellent source of beta-carotene. High in antioxidants. Very high in magnesium 32% recommended daily intake per serving. High in iron 15% recommended daily intake per serving. High in potassium 508 mg per serving. Source of vitamin C 28% recommended daily intake per serving. 70. Tomatillo, 1 serving equals 70 g 125 ml. Source of vitamin C 14% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin K 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 1 mg per serving. 71. Tomato asterisk. 1 medium tomato contains 22 calories. It is a source of vitamin C, vitamin A and folate. It is high in the antioxidant lycopene. 1 serving equals 85 g half small, 1/3 medium, 1/5 large, 1 large cocktail tomato, 8 grape tomatoes. Source of vitamin C 25% recommended daily intake per serving. Low in sodium 10 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 72. Turnip, 1 serving equals 125 ml a half cup. Source of vitamin C 24% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat free 0.07 g per serving. 73. Watercress, 1 serving equals 36 g 250 ml. Very high in vitamin K 112% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C 26% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat free 0.04 g per serving. 74. Yam root, 1 serving equals 72 g 125 ml. Source of vitamin C 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of manganese 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of copper 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber 3 g per serving. Fat free 0.3 g per serving. 75. Zucchini. A half cup of zucchini has 15 calories. It provides a source of potassium, vitamin A and folate. 1 serving equals 85 g half medium. Source of vitamin C 25% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving.